Hello YouTube. Today for your reviewing pleasure I have from Mark I models the 1:720th scale Zeppelin LZ47. This one is another P-class airship and was nicknamed the Spotted Cow. And you can kind of tell that from the color callouts. So the boxes on these are pretty just basic. That's the reason why in my other videos I've not shown the boxes themselves. But here on the back we do have a couple of options. We have the LZ47 Airship Troop Imperial German Flying Corps, and this is from the Namur Airship Base in Belgium. And then we have the actual Spotted Cow edition, I guess you could say, which is from the same airbase, but this one was used during the Battle of Verdun in 1916. So let's go ahead and get this out and see what it comes with. So again, by this being a single, excuse me, option, being the LZ47, there's not going to be as many parts, as you don't have the option between the two variants. But again, starting off up here at the top, we have our parts call out, and calling out to ignore what would I believe be part 6. I'm not 100% sure, I have to double check. But in either case, we do have parts going together, which is going to be similar. Again, the airships are fairly similar to each other. Again, you don't have the optional vertical tail pieces there. And then let's look at the plastic itself. So again, starting off, we'll go ahead and start off with our decal sheet, which again, pretty basic, but again, nice that it has the windows and the frames. And I believe these are actually for the vent holes. So again, pretty nice. We have parts here. Again, it looks like these here just are getting pulled out a bit quick. Got sink marks on this one side, so that'll have to just be taken care of on that carriage. And again, it looks like the same part got broke on this one as well. So again, just take care when pulling things out, making sure to check your bag for any loose parts. Same two little tiny pieces here, and then the same two long airship fuselages, little torpedoes. So again, just a quick review of it. Pretty standard and basic. As I mentioned in the other one though, these have no locating tabs at all, so make sure that when you glue them together that you don't use some very quick setting glue, as you might need a little bit of time to make sure you do get them lined up correctly. So hope you guys have enjoyed this. This has been a quick look at the Mark I Zeppelin LZ47 P-Class airship, the Spotted Cow edition. Have a wonderful rest of your day.